Imagine a fuel source that could be burned to release energy, yet whose only byproduct is water. Something non-toxic, non-corrosive and endlessly available. We've all seen over the last year our electricity and gas prices rocket, and the price of petrol too. We've seen how vulnerable we are as a country to energy shocks. Could hydrogen be the answer? We think it is, which is why we're leading the Collaborative Hydrogen Innovation Initiative. Green hydrogen produced by renewables, has a big role to play in tackling the climate emergency. We're supporting work to replace fossil fuels in buses and lorries with hydrogen. Did you know the first internal combustion engine was powered by hydrogen more than 200 years ago? And there are opportunities in every industry. Some 28 projects across the UK supporting 12,000 jobs are already underway. We're building new technology supply chains across 40 centres. In technical and commercial maturity, hydrogen is at the stage wind power was 20 years ago. The potential is huge. I'm proud of our role in helping the UK to become a global leader in hydrogen.